she is. Do you know where we're going today?
But I don't know.
Yeah, getting on a hike today. I forgot the name of it. I'll show it later. Beautiful up there, beautiful hike. Like I said, it's gonna be nice and sunny like yesterday. That's a beautiful day yesterday. I went fishing at Chip Creek. I got the first salmon of this year. I'll get Nuch to post it somewhere, pictures and video. So yeah, let's go. Everybody ready?
With Peanut?
And we have Peanut also today with us. You ready, DK? Nope.
Yeah.
So let's go.
You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and I don't know, still good for the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night for us all. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done.
There's a shortcut right here. It's really a shortcut. It'll cut you up right up to I mean, it goes around really long down there and then it comes up. But if you take this shortcut right here with all the beautiful flowers,
we don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
and that's it. Now we're back on the main trail. And we hiked that before. It's really long. And over here, we did the gas line trail one time. Where we want to go is this way. And this is called the Hemlock Knob Trail. Hemlock Knob Trail. You know, it's a lot of bushes and trees and stuff like that, but it's nice and flat. But you still have to worry about bears and moose. And we have the usual things that we carry: bear spray and the bells and the gun and stuff like that. See the city down there. Taking a break over here. Here's the crew. Oh, you guys sitting there could be the picture for the vlog.
Huh?
I know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture for you, so you can put it on there.
Yeah.
All right. You gotta hold ticket, Peanut though.
Okay, come Peanut. Come here. Come here. Come. Come.
Anyways. This is the way we're going over here. Yep, I want to show that beautiful view up there where the mountains are. But I think Nuch wants to come back and go down this way. A bear or a moose. Wow, let's get ready. Fox. Got another dog around here.
You don't find him on that?
No. Friendly dog. We had a dog last time too, a white dog following us. He wanted to be part of our family. Another way up here. Where are we going up here? There it is. That's the view I wanted to show. Paragliding. Oh, you see the flag? Oh, I do see it, yeah. That's flat top right there. That's what it's called, right? Flat top? Or flat top. that's the video that Nuch wants to make. I don't think I can make it up there. That's flat top there. We tried going up last year, like I mentioned before.
Little bit. That's all because have sticky.
Right.
So you can take break here.
Sure.
It's right. That's how you right
This trail keeps going down this way to the power lines, I think. And then you can get to the flat top over there somehow. And the other trails out there. They just trails all over the place. Never ends here in Alaska. I mean, it's just beautiful sights. Winter, the summer, and the spring, the fall, whatever. It's just beautiful here in Alaska. This is beautiful here too. We went up there. Not easy. So I think we'll end it up here. I don't know, we might keep going down the other way for a little bit. I think we're gonna head down this trail that I spoke about before. Yeah, let's go just see and where it goes, where it leads. Maybe we can do it next time we come, huh? Probably goes down to the power lines or the pipeline, gas lines. One of those. I think we're done here. I see a way that we can go around here, but I don't know. I think so. I see the power line, so the trail has to be right there. But still, yeah, we don't want to go over all that today. Guess we'll head back. Let's go. We'll come back another day. We're done from
Nuch, TK,
Nelson. Peanut too? Okay, now you can say Peanut since he's part of the family. So see, that has to be a moose print, right? You see a lot of print more coming down. Always have to be careful with this trails. Make sure and make a lot of noise. Ah, nice. All right. Bye bye. Bye bye. Where?
Yeah. See the bear?
Oh, a bear print?
Yeah, really big. You see that?
Yeah, so this is a game trail, that's what they call it, right? A game trail? Yeah, there's a lot of prints this way. Moose, bear, all sorts of stuff. And making noises and be ready or anything. Besides that, I mean, nothing's gonna stop us from coming out
Who wants this thing?
and
Who wants
hiking and
Who wants this thing, Papa?
enjoying nature.
Who wants this thing? Who wants this thing, huh? Who
I don't
wants
know.
this?
Don't do that, please.
Who wants this thing?
Alright, that's it for sure now.
I'm going to start playing now.
That's a bonus clip. I'm gonna do that from now on.
No.
Cause there's always something else that I wanna Nuch to show. So bonus clip.
The bone
Yep, if I remember.
clip. What?
Let me see if you can get out of the way. I just say have to be careful. And a moose came right behind me. I didn't see him. No saw him. And she got the spray out. Woo. Even Peanut got some of it.
Take water.
Yeah.
Okay, there.
You okay, Peanut? Woo. Yeah. That was crazy. Peanut needed too. Nope. That's it, TK. That's it.
That should hurt my eye.
Oh man. I just say you gotta be careful and be ready, and we were ready. Nuch got that thing out quick. And he went by. I don't see him anymore. Yeah, we gotta get out this trail. Let me see that water so I can put some on Peanut. Watch out for another one to come. Hold on.
Have water with you.
Hold this, please. Come on, Peanut. Come here, Peanut.
Okay. Okay. Take your jacket. You put it up and begin with. Take off. Oh, Peanut.
I do.
You okay?
You have to be careful when you point that thing.
Oh, I follow TK. I have to do quick.
You see? And why you guys didn't get out the way?
I put TK, but he ran to TK. I have to go quick. I scare he ran to TK quickly because TK ran to me.
That's it. Look, let me see Snoop. Let me see you, TK. Oh, you okay, Baba?
My eye hurts.
I thought you said you're gonna hate it when you see one.
I hurt my eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the spray. That wasn't the moose. Yeah. That's a close encounter. Really close. Like, I mean, that face was in my face. And
Dad, look how this hurt no more.
when I heard Nuch say that, I just looked back and I saw him. I got out the way. I went in there. I went inside in here. And then he just kept on going. So I guess we don't only look forward. Yeah, you need to look back too. Because they come quick. They come quickly. Oh man, that was crazy. So now we're feeling better. We're taking a break. Yeah, let me recreate it. I was walking and then Nuch said it again.
In my mouth.
I'm move.
Say it louder so I can hear.
Move.
A moose in your butt. You said move or you said a moose behind
I
you?
move behind you. Move
And
behind you. Probably move behind, but
Yeah.
you not.
Wait. And when you said that, I didn't believe it because we always joke. So And then when I noticed that she was for real, I looked back and
You see, in the Nelson stay there, and I see, Bobby, move behind you, move. And he don't believe me. He think I'm joking.
right.
And I say, no, don't move. And then he look back. What happened? His face moved, right? And then
Wait, this is messed up. Okay, go now.
And he stay. He part. What you say? You stay in the side, right?
Yeah.
Like he part of
That
it.
moves past over. Yeah.
But the TK stay in the middle because
Right,
he stay in the middle. And say, TK come to mommy, but he want to look. But he still stay here, right? Come to mommy. I go guide him, yeah. And in the mood, come over here, but I scared he come to me, right? And I look for space stay here, right? And what my space? He come, but not like that. This one too small, yeah. And I got quickly. I don't know how I do it quick. I do that, yeah, nah. Like that.
That was good. Good job, Nuki.
And get everybody. Get everybody.
Yes. But you did the right thing and you did it right. That was good.
Okay, I don't want time here no more.
That's what you say now. Later you want to come back.
I don't like here.
You don't want no more? You want some water, Tika?
Let me have water over here. I give for him.
Alright, for sure. This time is for sure finished. Alright, thanks for watching.